It is highly likely that Samsung will launch two foldable phones in 2023, including the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Typically, Samsung reveals its foldable devices in August each year, but a recent report indicates that this may not be the case for 2023. According to that report, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 could see their replacements arrive a little bit sooner than normal. This report comes courtesy of leaker Revegnus on Twitter, someone who has proven to be pretty adept at sharing information about Samsung devices ahead of their release. And according to them, Samsung is already ahead of schedule. According to one rumor, Samsung may start mass-producing the hinges for its Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 at the beginning of June. However, previously the company pushed its hinges into production at the end of June. Because the company is supposedly rushing to produce its hinges earlier than usual, the recent rumor speculates that Samsung may do this as it plans to bring the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 to the market before the end of July rather than in late August. That could potentially have a knock-on effect on the rest of the production cycle, leading the leaker to say that it's possible that the Galaxy Foldable will be released in July this year. Samsung is said to use a different type of hinge, at least for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This new hinge will allow the phone to fold completely flat without leaving a small gap between the two halves of the phone. This could also be an explanation as to why Samsung may want to push the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5's hinges into production earlier than usual. The company may require more time to manufacture the new designs. If true, it may mean that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 may go on sale at the usual time of the year, regardless of whether the hinges hit the conveyor belts earlier than normal. All in all, this is all speculative, and there's no hard evidence to suggest that Samsung will rush the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 to market for a mid-summer release. But it could, especially if it wants to bring its devices closer to the launch of the Google Pixel Fold and put more distance between the next-gen foldable devices and the upcoming iPhone 15 series. That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.